Digital tools for collaboration, communication, creativity, and critical thinking. An Erasmus course in Lisbon, Portugal. I arrived in Lisbon on Sunday, the 4th of August, and took a taxi from the airport to the city. On Monday, I met my trainer and my international colleagues from Bulgaria, the Czech Republic, and Spain. We introduced ourselves through some ice-breaking activities. We shared the current situation of our schools in relation to new technologies, and each of us presented our schools and their educational project. Every day we added more and more materials to the course Padlet, and at the end of the course we made a remake of it in order to personalize it with the course contents. On Monday afternoon and evening I explored the city and visited many beautiful places which were quite near my hotel. On Tuesday, we discussed the education technology trends in Europe. We also had a debate about the educators' concerns when working with digital tools and what skills today's students need to develop for tomorrow's world. On Tuesday afternoon and evening, I had time to continue exploring Lisbon and its beautiful squares, churches and the river. St. George Castle, the Arch of Rua Augusta, the Commerce Plaza and Grassa Viewpoint and Church are really amazing. On Wednesday, we dealt with the pros and cons of social media and how to promote critical thinking through debates and creativity through curiosity and the desire to investigate. We also tried artificial intelligence tools and video, photo and noise editors, among others. After the Wednesday morning session, I spent the rest of the day walking through the beautiful streets and avenues of Lisbon. On Thursday, we visited the 3D Fun Art Museum Lisboa with the group of international teachers, and we had great fun taking pictures, which we used for the final projects of the course. After that, I visited the area of Belém Palace and Tower, the Jerónimos Monastery, and the Monument of Discoveries. On Friday, we shared our presentations on how to use images, videos, and digital apps to make our lessons more engaging. We learned a lot from each other. We were awarded the course certificates and reflected on all the knowledge that we gained during the week and how we were going to implement it in our schools. The rest of the weekend, I explored Lisbon with the streetcar, Santa Justa elevator, and the Gloria funicular. I also took the boat to Calcinhas and the bus to Caparica Beach. On Sunday, I flew back to Barcelona. It was a great Erasmus experience abroad and an amazing professional development course.